Don't be fooled by easy divorce promises. My name is Bobby Dale Barina, and I've been practicing family law for over 30 years. And in that time frame, I have seen marketing campaigns, I've seen commercials, I've seen newspaper ads, all promising hardworking people, loving families, loving parents be destroyed by the promise of the easy divorce. These easy divorces are sometimes sold by attorneys or corporations online where you fill out the paperwork. Well, the easy divorce avoids the process that's necessary for the proper outcome, the best outcome. You fill out some forms without any real guidance from an attorney about why each one of these answers you're giving are so important to your custody arrangement. What does it mean to have a custody arrangement? What does it mean to have different start times, drop-off times? What does it mean to have long-distance travel provisions? What does it mean to have the children's items returned to them for visitation? What does it mean to have electronic communication? There's so many questions that are involved in a custody arrangement that you really need to have somebody sit down with you, take the time to go over it. In my practice, I have modified or simply put, cleaned up hundreds, if not thousands, of easy divorces because they always forget something. Now, recently we had the opportunity to listen to a good family explain to us that they went that route because of cost. And I understand that. Cost is always a good indication of what you can do. Do you have the resources? In custody litigation and custody matters, always be cautious with your money, but you want to spend the funds necessary to get the right result. They didn't put in all the children because they didn't have enough blanks. I know that sounds kind of silly, but they had never done one before. So there was no provisions in there for one child. There were no provisions about how the other children got back and forth from family to family. So really what it did was cause argument after argument after argument. A proper custody arrangement will answer all of your questions about every detail that is important about a custody arrangement. So don't be caught up in the easy, because the only person it's easy for is the person selling it to you. They don't have that responsibility that goes with educating the client, being there for the client, making sure the process meets the goals that they set. Now, these are just some of my thoughts about the easy divorce or the easy custody arrangement. If you'd like to talk further about it, please drop me a line, give me a call. I'd be happy to talk to you. Thank you.